Hi students, welcome back. We can do exercise 18A, question number 22. Given ABC is equal to 70 degree, ACB is equal to 50 degree, join AT and BT. Given T is equal to 90 degree is given in the figure. So we can say that this PQ is the tangent and OT is the radius, that is O is the center of the circle, that is CT will be the diameter. Why? Because it is given that this angle is 90 degree. So PQ will be the tangent and center to this point of contact will be the radius. So this angle is 90 degree is given. So we can directly say that CT is the diameter. So what about angle CBT? So this is the diameter, CT is the diameter. So angle CBT will be, this total angle will be 90 degree. Reason is what? Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So total angle we got it as 90 degree. Also given ABC, this angle is 70 degree. So what about angle ABT, remaining angle? This angle will be what? Total angle is 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 minus 70, which is equal to 20 degree. So this angle is 20 degree. So ACT is what? CT is equal to 20 degree. How we will get ACT? Since now we got ABT as 20 degree. ABT we got it as 20 degree. ABT is equal to 20 degree. AT is a segment. So ACT also will be what? ACT. This angle will be 20 degree since ABT is 20 degree. ACT also will be 20 degree. That is, angles in the same segment are equal. So we know what? Total angle is 50 degree. Up to this is 20 degree. So what about this remaining angle? That will be 50 minus 20, that is equal to 30 degree. So look at here. BCT will be 30 degree. From the figure itself we can understand that BCT is equal to 30 degree. BCT is 30 degree. We got BCT as 30 degree. So BAT will be what? BAT also will be what? 30 degree. Why? Because BAT lies in the segment BT. So BCT lies in the segment BT. So BCT we got it as 30 degree. So automatically BAT will be 30 degree. What? Angles in the same segment are equal. So we can say that BAT is equal to 30 degree. That is the second part. Next we want to prove the third. For proving the third part, consider triangle ABC. Sorry. BAC plus this triangle ABC. So this one BAC we don't know. So BAC plus this total is 50 plus up to this is 70. So we are considering ABC. So angle BAC plus this total 50 plus this 70 is equal to 180. From there we will get a angle BAC as 60 degree. So BAC we got it as 60 degree. BAC is 60 means BTC will be 60 degree. Why we are finding that BTC? Why? Because for considering this, if you are considering triangle PTB, we want to calculate 8PT. No. So for that we are taking BTC. So after taking this, angle BTC is equal to 60 degree. Consider triangle PTB. Consider triangle PTB. This triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle APT plus angle PTB, this angle, plus angle PBT is equal to 180 degree. Split that PTB as PTB. So we can split that as PTC plus BTC. So this one BTC, this one plus this one. Okay, split that. So what about PTC? Given this is 90 degrees, so this will be 90 degrees. So PTC will be, this angle will be what? 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree. So PTC 90 degree plus, now we got BTC as 60 degree. So BTC, that's why we find out this BTC for substituting here. So BTC is equal to 60 degree. Now we got, then PBT, already we know PBT is what? Look at the figure, PBT. We got it as 20 degree. Already we know PBT, this angle we got as 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. So adding this APT plus sum is equal to 170, which is equal to 180. So APT is equal to 180 minus 170, which is equal to 10 degree. That is our third part. Thank you.